I vividly recall being in an extremely dark, desperate, lonely space in my life and recognizing significant changes had to be made. I was morbidly obese, emotionally wrecked, and out of lies to cover up the harshness of what was my reality. I had a desire to alter my mind, my body, and my spirit, no longer live in pieces. To undergo a transformation is an elective process. It's a choice to bravely address all the dark corners that have kept us consistently inconsistent, visibly invisible, and no longer content with being content. Merriam-Webster defines the word transform in the following way: to make a thorough and dramatic change in form, appearance, or character of your life. The decision to change the trajectory of my life still takes a lot of hard work. Hi, everyone. My name is Amber Thompson, otherwise known as Amber the Breezy Butterfly, and that is an excerpt from one of my original pocket-sized devotionals, Transformed, which you can see here behind me. So, my genius is I'm a butterfly. What? Yes, I'm a butterfly. I help individuals who have experienced trauma at the hands of a parent and who no longer desire to live in pieces, but begin a journey of what? Peace. Yes. So I'm going to share a secret with you guys. Butterflies are a symbol of strength and endurance. You can pretty much put them in any environment, and guess what? We're not just survivors, we're thrivers. That's right, we're thrivers. So not only am I a butterfly, but I'm a certified life enrichment coach. I am a Kingdom CEO and founder of my own business. I'm a public speaker, and yep, look right here, I'm an author also. So guess what? Genius is common.